Welcome back to Cooking Vegan with Johanny, and today I'll be showing you how to make these amazing buttermilk waffles. These waffles are easy to make. It took me 6 years of being vegan to finally come out with a perfect buttermilk waffle. This waffle reminds me of my childhood, but it's actually better. You guys, it tastes so good. This recipe will not disappoint you. Your kids will love it. You will love it. You must try. And it's easy to make. All you're going to do is put some spelt flour, pastry flour, arrowroot flour, and you're going to put some unrefined cane sugar. Or you can use the sweetener of your choice. I'm using baking powder, pink Himalayan salt, and for our buttermilk, almond milk with apple cider vinegar. And just set it aside for 15 minutes so it can curdle, and that's what's going to create this wonderful buttermilk waffle. So you're going to go ahead, add your wet batter into it, slowly feed in your buttermilk. Once you do that, you're going to add your aquafaba, you're going to add your vanilla extract, and then you're going to add your avocado oil. We're using avocado oil for the replacement for butter, and we're using aquafaba for the replacement for your eggs, okay? This is very important that you use these ingredients because it's going to create this wonderful buttermilk waffle. Make sure you preheat your iron before using. Now we're going to add our waffle mix to our waffle iron. Make sure you pour evenly. I recommend that you cook these waffles lightly golden brown to golden brown. I personally like to cook my waffles golden brown because they're crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. And they should look like this. And you could top it off with some maple syrup and a side of fruit. These are waffles that everyone can enjoy. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.